You guys have been watching me for years now here on YouTube. You can look at the videos, how much money I get for things, and not one person complains. So, you know, you got the young guys commenting, oh, I would have done that for only $99. It's like, the people that make money in this business are the people that know how to charge and know what they're worth. These people that are thinking they work hard, they're these young kids that are coming in trying to act like they know everything. It's a joke when they say that. Nobody wants to work hard. People want to work smart, not hard. You know, when I used to charge low when I was a kid, I had more complaints then than I do. I don't even have any complaints now. But, you know, richer people, when you go to their houses, they don't want it for cheap. They just want you to do a good job, and they don't want to worry about it, and they don't even care about the price. They just, oh, you can do it, great. Oh, great. You know, it's all going to be taken care of. Putting that right in their face that, yeah, you can do it right now, and it'll be taken care of. And that's all they care. That was like a great thing to hear for them. They didn't have to wait and drag this out. They can get it done right now. That's what they like hearing. They don't care about the price. People, when you charge them a good fee, they feel like they got their money's worth and it works. When you charge them a low fee, they feel like you just came in and out, and they feel more ripped off. They feel like you didn't do a good job, and then any little squeak they hear, they think it's your fault. They just don't like being charged low. I don't know what it is. There are areas that care about the price, but I don't even deal with those areas. I like when people call and they need you. That's the feeling I get, that I go out and I help them. They're so appreciative that a lot of them give you bottles of wine, and they give you like tips all the time. I don't really care about the tips or the wine, because I don't even really drink wine. My point is they're happy when you're done. That happy where they're giving you that. They think of you as a good gesture. They're not hating you for charging them. They probably in their mind expected it to cost that much. That's why I say there's dummies in this business that go out and give everything away. Why are you going low? I put a lot of people into business, and they're all making great money. So if you want to get in, have a mentor tell you exactly how to do it. I've been doing it since 1979. I've been doing it over 40 years. So any type of situation you come on, one guy sent me a picture of a barn, and the guy wants 2 doors on it. I think he had to put a post in and all that. I told him how to do it. He did the job. He got like $15,000 for it. And it took him, what, 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours maybe, even if it took him all day. Still made great money. He probably cleared 13,000 of it. Where are you ever going to make 13,000 in one day? Or someone pays you right when you're done, and you get to go cash that check and have that money. You do it at your own pace too. I'll show you how to do all that, what to say in your ad. We'll help you with anything you need. Start going out there making money. It's the best feeling in the world. You'll wake up every day and you know you're making good money, and you feel good about it. And then when it's real nice out, sunny out, everyone has to go to work and be indoors. You're outdoors. You're going and getting a nice drink, driving around like this. Oh yeah, and then nobody to call you and bother you. It's such a good feeling. Do whatever you want to do. You don't have to worry about some boss calling you. And usually bosses in these kind of business, they put trackers on you now, so they know where you're at all times. Who the hell would want to work for someone like that? I don't know. Take yourself out of that position. Put yourself in where you're the one calling the shots. You're the one making the money. And that's not going to happen accidentally. You have to do it. And this business allows you to do that on every single job. You get to go out and be the boss and make the money, and you don't have to give anyone any money. See all these garage doors going up and down? Because there's a method. That's why it works every time. Once you learn that method, keep doing it and doing it and doing it. You won't even be thinking about it. You'll just be doing the method. We teach you the method of doing it. So anyone can do this. Even girls are doing this now. I got 45 years experience, and I used to hang a lot of doors, and I've seen every situation. I can tell you how to do everything. So if you call me, I'll tell you the best way to approach it if you're ever stuck. So anyway, give us a call. Talk at you. Click below to watch a free lesson, and don't forget to like and subscribe.